try this adventure bike life then, because I really want one of these. Oh wow, it's different. It's really different. I don't think I could do what he does on one of these. Oh, you want to get up the tank? The tank is big. There's probably loads of wind noise, so I'm sorry. It's so like, it feels like it's planted, but if this went wrong, it's going wrong fast. Whoa, I see what he means, like, oh, I don't like that. Like I'm, to be fair, I've been on it like 2 minutes. Wow. It's quite impressive if you think the places he's been on this thing. Like, it feels so lazy. Sounds amazing, but oof. Probably easier to go faster. Whoa, I got no confidence in the corners in it. How people go off-road on these things, I never know. Ooh. Oh wow, I think that's enough for me for one day. I'm quite enjoying it. That brake is like not there. This is what I mean with motorbikes. Like this thing, it just, I don't want to put it away. Ooh.